pinapalinaw lang po kung totoo raw po ba na kasi sa summer months na raw po kung malilesen raw ba ang cases ng COVID-19 because of the heat, because of the summer, sir.
Sana po totoo. Ang masasabi lang po natin from the literature, from the journals that we read, that the virus is very difficult to inactivate when the temperature is low and when the humidity is dry. Okay, when there is low humidity and low temperature, it's very difficult to neutralize the virus. I have yet to see. Perhaps Dr. Rabi might want to add to that information. And if that is true, then we should rejoice that summer is just around the corner. It will mean more sweat, more perspiration, but we don't mind. The trade-off is well worth it.
If you want me to comment, there was early belief that this virus will disappear like the SARS virus with increasing ambient temperatures. What we are seeing more recently is not supportive of that. We are seeing continuing transmission in very tropical countries like Singapore, Malaysia. And so the evidence we have at this point of time is not supportive. But having said that, certainly how long the virus survives in warmer countries with high humidity is much less than in colder, low humid circumstances. So this could work in favor of lower levels of transmission, but there are other factors such as overcrowding which could work negatively and contribute to increased transmission. So it's the actual outcome will depend on each country's situation, and that's why we continue to urge countries to identify cases, follow up cases, and define as early as possible clusters. And this is particularly important for countries like the Philippines now, where you have localized transmission. Defining those clusters early through aggressive, speedy, strengthened case contact tracing and clearly demarking those clusters will help to have a aggressive localized response to contain the spread. And we still believe that countries like Philippines and in fact even countries like Korea and Italy, where there are considerably higher numbers of cases, can contain it by following a response as has been demonstrated very successfully by the Chinese government.